It's crazy times we now live in where AI is gradually taking away human jobs. And I mean jobs that could have taken humans countless hours and resources to create. Now we have various tools that can complete these tasks within few seconds. And this is not all negative because if you think of it, with AI, you can boost your productivity, which in turn increases your efficiency and makes more money for you in the long run. So if you come over to this website, futurepedia.io, this is a website that shows you a lot of AI tools that are being released every single day, which you can use to complete various tasks without spending too much time on your end. But in today's video, we are going to be focusing on this AI tool that is going to build a website for us in 1 minute. As you can see right here, build your first website in 1 minute with AI. So all you simply need to do is to come over to this website, 10web.io, and I'm going to leave it down in the description. So once you come over to this website, all you simply need to do is to click on generate your website. So if you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to provide you these 3 options. And the first one here is creating a completely new website with AI. But this second option is for those who have an existing website and they want to upgrade it using AI. And this third option is for those who want to migrate to 10web hosting. So for this video, we are only going to focus on this first option here, which is creating a brand new website using AI. So all you simply need to do from here is to click on proceed. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you want to give the AI an idea of your niche. All right, so this is where you want to type in the type of business you are into. Since we are creating an affiliate website, I highly recommend to go for software-based product. With these software products, people are going to stay on that product for a long time, and as long as they keep using that product, you will be getting commissions every single month. And an example of such niche is the email marketing niche. So all you simply need to do is to come over to Google and you want to type in best email marketing affiliate program. And if you come over to this page, you're going to see this first website here and you want to click on it. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And just like I mentioned earlier, this software-based program usually offer a recurring commission. As you can see, for get response right here, you're going to get 33% for what your customer spends every single month on the platform, or you can get a one-off $100. Okay, and now if you scroll down here, you can see this other email marketing software also offer lifetime recurring commissions, as you can see right here. Since we are going to be working with email marketing softwares, all you simply need to then do from here is to type in marketing blog. So if you do this is going to make it easier for the AI to create the best website for us. And if you do this, you want to then click on next. It's then going to bring you to this page where you want to give your website a name. So for me, I am going to take in XB marketing. So once you do that, this is where you then want to type in a description of what your website is all about. So for me, I'm just going to type in create a website for email marketing software. So now you can come over here and click on this enhance with AI, and if you do this, it's going to even give the AI more details of what to include on the website. So as you can see, the AI has made this prompt more detailed, which is going to be easier for the AI tool to create the website for us. And now it's going to ask you, do you have a domain for your website? All right, so for me, I'm just going to select no. And now it's going to ask you to enter a domain name of your choice. So for me, I'm going to type in XBM scope right here, and then you want to click on next. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to ask you to enter a title and also ask you to enter a blog post description as well. So once you do this, all you then need to do is to click on finalize. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to show you congrats. And now, as you can see, your website was successfully generated with AI, review and edit. So once you do that, in less than 1 minute, it has created a full website we can use to start promoting these email softwares. Okay. So now if you come over here, you can see editor speak. You can come over here and edit this page by adding in a step-by-step tutorial of how to use any of the email softwares. And don't worry, you don't have to do this yourself. You can simply come over to Chatgpt and you can ask Chatgpt to generate it for you. You can see right here, write a step-by-step review of how to use get response email marketing software, 1000 characters. All you just simply need to do is to copy and paste this to your website. So while you are editing all these templates, you want to simply come back to this page and sign up for the affiliate program of each of these email softwares. Once you sign up to each of them, they'll give you your unique affiliate link, which whenever people make a purchase through that link, you will get a commission. So you want to do that, then go over to Chatgpt to generate a review for you for each of these email marketing softwares. And once you get the review, all you simply need to do is to come over here and you want to edit this template and paste in the review right there with your affiliate link. So once everything is done, you want to simply click on save and publish. And since we don't have a domain name yet, 10web is going to give us a subdomain we can use right here in the meantime before we purchase a custom domain. As you can see right here, this is a powerful tool you can use to create a website for any niche in a few seconds. So now that our website is working, the next step is to go over to this platform, answerthepublic.com, and this way we are going to get the questions people are asking regarding this niche, and we are going to start promoting our website to them, which contains email marketing softwares they can purchase and use for their business. All right, so once you come over to this website, you want to type in email marketing. So if you type in email marketing, all you need to do is to click on search. If you do that, it's going to show you a lot of questions people are asking on Google regarding email marketing. As you can see right here, is email marketing effective? Is email marketing important? All you simply need to do from here is to go over to Quora and you want to create a question with one account, then you want to use the other account to answer that question. Then we will be using that answer to promote the website we just created on 10web. It's that simple, okay? If you don't have the time to do this, you can simply come over to Fiverr and you can hire a virtual assistant that is going to do all that hard work for you. So as you can see right here, this person can make a blog post for us for just $5. So all you need to do is to hire any virtual assistant on Fiverr to do all that artwork for you by posting those questions and answers. And keep in mind, they can simply plug in that question and get the answer straight away from Chatgpt. And if Fiverr is beyond your budget, you can still come over to Micro Worker. This is a platform with thousands of people that you can hire for very cheap, that they can do the same work for you as well. As you can see right here, people are completing tasks on this website for as low as 0.05 cents, and that is super cheap. All you simply need to do is to create a task on this website, asking people to create a Quora account, asking this question, then using another account to answer that question. And you want to make sure to give them your website link, which you'll be using to get a lot of traffic. And this is a minor investment compared to how much you're going to make in the long term once people start signing up to this email marketing software, which you'll be making a lifetime commission as long as they keep on using that software.